The Technology tab is where you'll let us know if you have any existing technologies that you'd like to include in the optimization, as well as if you'd like to consider any new technologies. You can model things like solar PV systems, energy storage, diesel and gas generators, and wind turbines. If you'd like to model a system, simply click on the slider and some assumed values will come up. If you'd like to edit these values, simply click Edit and make your changes. If you'd like to consider a new technology, simply click on the slider and you can continue on to Insights. VECKTA uses a set of assumed values that are pertinent to your location and the size of your system. If you'd like to edit some of those values, simply click on Details, click on Edit, and make your changes. When you're done, click Save.